Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sindhar, Nasik. Now in this lecture we will discuss first module. In this first module topic will be the revision of crystal structure. Now some basic definition. First will be the lattice, an arrangement in sphere of isolated point to the lattice point in regular pattern showing the position atom, molecule or ion in the structure of crystal. Second will be the basis. A crystal structure is formed by the associating lattice point with unit assembly of atom or molecule or ion. This unit assembly is named as the basis. Next will be the translation vector. The translation vector is the distance through which an atom must be moved in order to be in the next unit cell. Permittivity unit cell. Permittivity unit cell is minimum volume of unit cell. Next will be the symmetry operation. Symmetry operation is permutation of atom such that molecule or crystal is transformed into the state distinguished from the starting state. Now, basic type of crystal structure. Following are the basic type of the crystal structure. First will be the simple cubic crystal, that is SC. Second will be the body center crystal structure, BCC. Third will be the face central crystal structure, FCC. Fourth will be the hexagonal closed pack structure, that is HCP. These are explained as follow. Now first will be the simple cubic crystal. Now this will be the systematic representation of simple cubic structure. In this crystal structure, the atoms are situated at the corner of unit cell, that is one atom in each corner, that is this win. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth corner. This crystal structure does not have atom, the face and the center of unit cell. A simple cubic crystal structure has total number of atom equal to 8. As we know, average number of atom per unit cell will be the A divided by 8 plus B divided by 2 plus C divided by 1 is equal to 8 divided by 8 plus 0 divided by 2 plus 0 divided by 1, that is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 1. This 8 will be the corner. This will be the simple cubic structure. Now next type is body center structure. Now this will be the systematic representation of body center cubic structure. This type of crystal structure is slightly complex compared to the simple cubic structure. In this crystal structure, one atom piece at each corner of unit cell. In addition to this, there is one atom at center of unit cell, that is this one. The corner atom are sharp by other 8 unit cell, while the center atom remain unsure. Now average number of atom per unit cell will be the A divided by 8 plus B divided by 2 plus C divided by 1, that is equal to 8 divided by 8 plus 0 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 1, that is 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore the average number of atom per unit cell is 2. This type of crystal structure is found following metal like lithium, sodium, calcium, etc. Now third topic will be the face center cubic crystal structure. This will be the systematic representation phase center cubic structure. In this crystal structure, one atom is placed at each corner of unit cell, that is 8 corner atom, one atom of each phase center, that is 6 atom. It does not have any atom in the center. The corner atom are shared by 8 unit cell, while the phase center atom is shared by 2 unit cell. Average number of atom per unit cell is equal to A divided by 8 plus B divided by 2 plus C divided by 1. That is 8 divided by 8 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 0 divided by 1. That is 1 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 4. Therefore, the number of atom per unit cell is 4. This type of crystal structure is found in following metal: cobalt, Ag, calcium, etc. Now, last topic is hexagonal close pack structure. This will be the systematic representation hexagonal close pack structure. This crystal structure shows one atom at each corner of hexagonal. The total corner of atom is 12. Each corner atom is shared by 6 unit cell. This is one atom of each hexagonal phase center. That is this atom 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this 6. It is shared by 2 unit cell. These 3 atom remain unshared. Average number of atom per unit cell is equal to A divided by 6 plus B divided by 2 plus C divided by 1. That is 12 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 1. That is 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, the hexagonal close pack structure have average number of atom per unit cell equal to 6. This type of crystal structure is found in the following metal: Pe, Mg, Ca, Zn, etc. Now, this will be the revision of crystal structure. Thank you so much.